again, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Charisse. If you are here for the first time, welcome to our channel and welcome to today's video. We are going to be taking you on a day trip with us to the British Virgin Islands, namely Tortola. So if you guys want to have a fun day with the family on this impromptu trip, then please just keep watching. Ferry port, getting ready for boarding to the BVIs today. So I'm going to take you guys along with me so we can have a great time together on our day trip. Alright, we just boarded our ferry to the BVIs and we're getting ready to leave. It's 8:30 in the morning, July 8th, so we'll see you guys when we get there. Grandpa, say hi.
Please follow the cruise instructions on how to properly put them on. Fire extinguishers are located throughout the vessel, and our trained crew members will operate them in need. Inflatable life rafts are stored on top of the vessel and will be launched by the crew in an emergency. While the vessel is underway, please remain seated. Personal belongings secure. Thank you for your attention. And from all of us at Road Town Fast Ferry, we wish you a safe and pleasant journey.
Bye, Kyle! He blowing you, he was blowing me. Alright, pulling up alongside us is a fleet of the Midnight Sun, Midnight Express charter boats, and these boats are so incredibly fast and so powerful. I've been on them many times before and each experience is 10 out of 10 top notch. So we were going through the channel and the entire fleet fully loaded with passengers for day trips or whatever. They came up right alongside us, so I was able to capture some really good footage of it. I have an obsession with the Midnight Sun fleet. They are amazing. They give you a smooth ride. They have smooth sound system. Captains are really good. The experience is really good, and it was really nice to be able to get that up close to them. This one that is right alongside us is the Obsidian. This is the one that I was able to have the pleasure of being on several times. So I'm checking this out, really nice and up close and personal, and I'm sharing it with you guys. I hope you're enjoying it. This would definitely be something I have to plan for the next trip when my family is in town. So I was glad they were able to see it. And my dad, who was sitting right next to me, you guys know, or maybe you don't, that my dad was like the #1 marine mechanic for the National Park Service here on island. And for him to be able to see that, his face just lit up. So it was really, really a nice moment to be sharing with my family right there. Alrighty guys, so we are here. We are now on British soil. We made it over to Tortola BVI. Our transportation is here right now and we're getting ready to start our day trip. And the rest of the family is back there. There's mom, dad, and my sister. Okay. Grandma, how you know that's him? Oh yeah. Alright, our car. Grandma, get in front. We are now on our way. There are about 9 of us packed into this one car. So what we ended up doing was going back to my uncle's house to get another car. So we were actually driving 2 cars today. My sisters and my dad were in one car, and my uncle, my mom, and myself, we were in another car. So let's get ready to start the day. Now in Road Town, so we got out of the car so we can do a little walk around, maybe grab a cold daiquiri or something. My outfit for today, I have a khaki color sundress on. It's got like a little open back, really cute. My Uncle Godfrey is hosting us for today. We are now walking through Road Town, making our way to find a bar where we can get a nice cool cocktail, do a little bit of shopping, and just relax. We're strolling down the shopping area at the cruise ship port, just checking out the sights and sounds of the scenery. No taxi. Last night. I think I'm going to have a snow cone. Coconut, like a pina colada. That's mine. Ooh, that looks good. Thank you. We stopped quickly for a little beverage cocktail break. I have a pineapple coconut snow cone with a little hint of something. Cheers. So by now we are still walking around. The sun is beating down on us, but we are still having a good time enjoying our beverages and walking along, strolling on the cruise ship pier. So what's the next stop? I believe we're gonna head back to the car at this point, and then we are gonna go about 5 minutes from
Okay,
here
guys,
up to
so we are
this
now
spot
at the
on
vendor's
hillside
plaza.
and
We're going to
have
see if we can
some
find
lunch.
some inexpensive t-shirts and some little knick-knack souvenirs for my sisters so we can take it back to Georgia for their friends. Go ahead, you good.
And it's not maintained, it's not cocaine. It's sugar cane for the brain. $1 joint. Where in the walking you get a joint for $1? Only right here in the PR. Welcome to the PR. We keep it live and crap alive. From the root to the tooth. That's right, from the root to the tooth. Fresh is best, guys. We got it right here. $1 joint. Fresh sugar cane, fresh sugar cane. Sugar cane for the brain.
Vito, get one for me.
Whatever you do, don't drop the merchandise. I won't cut you. There you go.
Let me get another one.
Just body in. Sugar cane.
Let me get one more.
No problem. We got it right here, guys. Fresh sugar cane. It's not methane. It's not cocaine. It's sugar cane. Sugar cane for the brain. $1 joint, guys. Come and get it right now. Extra, extra. Eat all about it. Extra, extra, guys. Eat all about it.
Got it.
Let's go, guys. Step right now. We got it going. Extra, extra. Eat all about it. Got it?
Got it.
If you just you go back. You want something?
In the back.
Whether you're the boy that they do?
Yeah.
And he got other one donkey. Donkey something. Yeah, I'm on the job.
The famous Bougainvillea clinic where all the rich and famous go to do their plastic surgery. It's right there, Bougainvillea clinic. My dad got a bag of sugar cane. The whole bag was only $5. All right, so we're here now on top of Fort Hill, I believe, and we're gonna have some lunch right now and enjoy ourselves with a good meal.
And as per usual, my dad, being the car fanatic that he is, stopped briefly to check out this Chinese model. It's a mix between a Hummer and a Wrangler and a Montero. So he was having a field day checking it out. So we're headed inside the restaurant now. We're gonna get seated and order something good to eat, some good locally made food. On the menu today, they have mutton, they have sauce, they have corned pork, they have stewed chicken, they have boiled fish, all the different size peas and rice, coleslaw, sweet potatoes, green bananas, dumpling, all of it. I thought I already knew what I wanted, but she kept writing and writing and writing. And anyway, I decided on having a nice plate of mutton. You'll see everybody's food as it comes out. So basically, we're just here sitting, chilling, having some conversation, having some good laughs and whatnot with the family. We took some bathroom breaks and we ordered some local drinks. Everybody got a glass of Mabi and it was delicious. I have not had a taste of Mabi in forever. It was the real deal. All right, while we're waiting for our food, I'm making my way through to the restroom. So this is what it looks like. I believe this section This section opens up after 5. It's like a little bar and a strip club. So I'm gonna quietly make my way through so I can use the ladies' room. Thank you. Up here now, way up in the hills at my uncle's house. This is his house right here, and look at the view from his house. But the road getting here, oh my god, there's no way I'd have to pass this view up because that road is no joke. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our BVI day trip with me and my family. Thank you so much for joining us, and I will see you for the next adventure. Bye. Okay, we made it back into town, and there's my uncle's house right there. So we are heading into the Right Way grocery store before we head back to the ferry. Oh, this is cute. My free bubble swords, and we are going back to the car. Let's go, Lego, let's go, Lego. Alrighty guys, we made it back to the ferry terminal. The flags are up because their carnival is getting ready to start in a few weeks, and it's been a really good day. So we have about an hour until we leave, and time to head home.
Before we depart, we'd like to take a brief moment to go over a few important safety reminders. Your life jackets are located under your seats. In the event of an emergency, please follow the crew's instructions on how to properly put them on. Fire extinguishers are located throughout the vessel, and our trained crew members will operate them if needed. Inflatable life rafts are stored on top of the vessel and will be launched by the crew in an emergency. While the vessel is underway, please remain seated and keep your personal belongings secure. Thank you for your attention. And from all of us at Road Town Fast Ferry, we wish you a safe and pleasant journey.